Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be discussing the 5 health benefits of tiger nuts. Now I'm someone that likes eating almonds and walnuts and all these other nuts, and I have never ever tried tiger nuts until a week ago. How crazy is that? And since I've been eating them, they're really tasty, really nice, and also I found out there is so many health benefits of eating tiger nuts. So I thought, if I'm eating these and found out about these, I've got to let you all know as well. So first of all, what I want to start off with is the nutrition, and then I'll get into the 5 health benefits. So starting off, tiger nuts are brilliant because they have iron in, phosphorus, and there's so many of these little trace minerals that we don't get enough of, and phosphorus is one of those. The next one is vitamin C, magnesium, zinc, potassium and calcium. So calcium, good for the bones. Then you've got magnesium and potassium, which are important for your heart and also your blood pressure. Now moving on to the health benefits, number 1, very good for digestion. So they've got that really good fibre that can actually help you with your digestion so everything runs smoothly. The next one is really good, may reduce blood sugar levels. Now as we know, because these are a healthy fat and low sugar and got that high fibre, when you eat these it slowly gets released. So let's say you're on like a keto diet or a ketogenic diet, these would be really good to have as a healthy snack. So you know, if you have like sugar as a snack, your sugar levels rise, then you're hungry. With nuts you can have a healthy snack, your sugar levels just slowly rise, but it keeps you full for longer. So it's like a satiating snack. Now the next health benefit is very good for heart health. So they get, again, now that is coming into vitamin E. So vitamin E is brilliant for your heart health, but also for your skin as well. Vitamin E is really good. And tiger nuts have the good type of cholesterol. So you've got LDL cholesterol and HDL cholesterol. So the good type of cholesterol, which is HDL, these tiger nuts are actually good for that type of cholesterol, and you want to try and, you know, have a lot of heart healthy food. So if you were having, let's say, tiger nuts, walnuts, all of these nuts mixed together, you're really boosting, you know, those vitamins and minerals. Now the next one is may boost your immune system to fight infections. So I was looking up here and I found a couple interesting studies. There's always people doing studies out there, so that's why I said may, but it's interesting. They found when people have a higher amount of nuts in their diet, they tend to be able to fight colds and flus better. So what you can do is you can go to Google and just search tiger nuts study or tiger nuts results or tiger nuts case studies, and you'll see all the different studies on the health benefits of tiger nuts. Really, really powerful. Now they're also really good for men's health as well. So they're used in like natural medicine, Ayurvedic medicine. So really good for like testosterone and the balancing of male hormones. Obviously anyone can have them, women, men, anyone can have them. However, that's a known benefit where they're really good for men's health. And also you can make other different types of, you know, meals and recipes. There's horchata that you can make. My pronunciation might not be too good at that, but horchata is something you can make. And also milks as well, you know, you can try a different milk. You know, you've got like, you know, there's hazelnut milk and that, but why not try something like a tiger nut milk or yogurt? You know, if you're eating yogurt, you could sprinkle a few tiger nuts on top of your yogurt as well. So there's so much you can do, and they're very healthy. So the one that I like to eat, or the first one I've ever tried, so I've never tried tiger nuts before until a week ago, and that's why I'm going to mention this one, because they're absolutely amazing. So it is tiger nuts on Amazon. I will leave a link below. So here we go. So these are tiger nuts, and the great thing is they are supreme peeled tiger nuts. So don't worry about having to crack the shell off and hurt your nails and peel them. All done for you. Peeled tiger nuts, ready to eat, and they are by KC Goods. So KC Goods, London, UK, country of origin Spain. So very, very good tiger nuts. And you know what was amazing? I was looking through Amazon and I was looking at the price and, you know, and how much you get, and I thought, wow, look at this box, right? 200 grams for a really reasonable price, and I will leave that definitely link below. So we've got the Tiger Nut Supreme peeled. I also bought another one here. So this is really heavy. This is amazing. This is a big box of nuts. This will definitely keep me going for a while. And the great thing is, nuts last for such a long time. You don't have to worry about them going off or anything. So yeah, look at this. Big box of peeled Tiger Nuts. And then over here, these are the Supreme peeled ones. However, I have to mention these ones because these are my favourite. So these ones are called caramelized Tiger Nuts. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, delicious. These are just could be for a snack, but I could easily, so this packet here, I could easily have probably 5 or 6 of these. Caramelized Tiger Nuts are amazing. I'm definitely going to make more videos like this, you know, more superfoods, different types of nuts. You know, there's so much food out there, whether it's fruit, whether it's vegetables, so much food that I still haven't tried, and I'm definitely going to be eating. But yes, I will leave these linked below. So I'll leave the shop link below where you can buy these, and also the link to the individual products. Powerful for your health anyway. So let me know if you've ever eaten Tiger Nuts, and is there any other nuts out there that I need to eat. And thank you so much for watching.